Okay, once again, welcome to everyone in this new series. This video is related to solutions for our previous text. So everyone appear on all the exams and all the tests, and everyone solve all the problems given by me. So in this new series, we will try to check our answers and understand their procedures. So let's start our this new videos. Okay, everyone be patient and understand there what are the very basically procedures. Okay, no one directly remember their answers. Okay, remember their procedures. आपको आंसर याद नहीं करना है, रखना नहीं है. Okay, no one only understand their procedures. ये आपको ऐसे फॉलो इसमें करना है. Okay. ओके जितने सारे भी टेस्ट हो रहे हैं उसका आपको आंसर का जानना भी बहुत ही जरूरी है. ओके सो this is our first part, and the second part. In first part we have already explained about the different solutions regarding to different problems. So now in this our second series for your class 7, move to the questions directly, and without taking the time we can start our this video. So now first one, on a vertical line positive numbers are placed. Okay, it is a very important and a very easy questions for everyone. I think everyone replied this one. First one, 0. A vertical line positive numbers are placed before or after, means that 0 के बाद आपको क्या मिलता है और 0 के लेफ्ट साइड में आपको क्या फाइंड आउट होता है. That are the main need of this given questions. So firstly we can draw vertical line, vertical number line or horizontal vertical line. Horizontal line both are same, both are follow the same. Okay, no problem. So firstly write here 0, 1, 2, -1 and -2. So what are the meaning of +1 +2 means positive. Okay, on a vertical line positive numbers are placed right side of 0. Yes, यहाँ पर राइट साइड ऑफ 0 मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है. सो अवर ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स. क्वेश्चन सेकेंड, multiplication of negative integers for odd number of times give a result. So multiplication of negative integers, okay, negative integers, positive integers and 0. Okay everyone, but multiplication of negative integers we can take any negative integers, suppose -2, and multiply by odd numbers. Okay, what odd numbers means? What odd number and even number. Odd number, a number that is not exactly divisible by on the table of 2, so that are the odd number. Okay, so follow this concept. So we can again see here another examples for odd numbers is, we can say here 3. So 3 to the 6, but answers are minus. Answers are minus means what? Negative. So we can say that multiplication of negative integers for odd numbers of any times. Okay, many times जब भी हम ऐसा करते हैं, then our answer is always in the form of negative. Okay, another examples 3 into 5, 15, but -15, -15. ओके रिमेम्बर जब भी ऐसा आप करते हो तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? नेगेटिव ही आंसर मिलेगा. दैट इज द ऑप्शन ए. थर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. ओके, इफ द dividend and divisor have like sign, then the quotient will be. Okay, we can take example 2 by 4. Okay, 2 by 4, 2 by 4 both have the like sign. Okay, what do you mean by like sign? Like sign represent both have the either positive, either negative. So both have positive signs, 2 and 2, 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 becomes 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Our questions are 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. So it is a positive or negative. It is a positive, means that our question is also according to our questions, so that are also like sign. Plus, it is also plus. Okay, take another examples, -6 by -2. Okay, again both have like sign, negative sign, so again that becomes like sign or unlike sign. Minus and minus cancel out, so our answer is 3. So answer becomes like sign. Okay, move to next question. Positive, negative, 0, none of these. तो आंसर्स आर ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. आंसर्स आर ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. मिला कि नहीं मिला आपको पॉजिटिव? ओके, यहाँ पर आप सभी देखे होंगे. ओके, एवरीवन getting the same result, that are positive. Closure property in respect of integers is satisfied with respect to. Okay, जब भी हम integers के problem को solve करते हैं, so what are the problem? Basically there are many types of property of integers: closure property, commutative property, associative property, okay, additive identities, zero property. ये सारा चीज आपको आता है, but no problem. But in this our question is that closure property in respect to, okay, closure property is applicable for addition or multiplication. ये इसमें applicable होता है या नहीं? Okay, so we can take one examples for this problem. Suppose that a equal to 4, b is equal to 2. You can take another examples by yourself. आप अपने हिसाब से भी कुछ another examples consider कर सकते हैं. But remember, okay, what is closure property? According to addition of integers, so a plus b equal to c. Okay, a plus b equal to c. So a plus b means what? The addition of any two integers is also a integers. जब दो इंटीजर्स को आप ऐड करते हो तो जो आपको इंटीजर्स जो रिजल्ट मिलेगा दैट इज आल्सो इंटीजर्स. दैट आर द मेन कंसेप्ट. ओके, 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 4 is the integers, 2 and 6, so 6 is also integers. Okay, and then a into b is equal to c. The multiplication of any two integers is also a integers. 4 into 2, answer is 8. You can take either in form of plus or minus. Your answers are always same. But remember, under addition, not subtraction. Okay, follow. Okay, so our first answers are correct. तो सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए फॉलो नहीं होता है ना. सपोज इसमें हम लोग क्या कर लेंगे, a माइनस बी करते हैं. सो b माइनस ए दोनों क्या सेम मिल रहा है? ओके, चेक करते हैं. a इक्वल टू 4, b इक्वल टू 2, b इक्वल टू 2, a इक्वल टू 4, 2 is not equal to minus 2. So closure property does not follow under subtraction. Under subtraction and under division, ये दोनों में फॉलो नहीं होता है. Okay, next question number 5th. Proceed to question number 5th. What are given that commutative property in respect to integers. ये जो commutative property है वो किसमें applicable होता है, ये आपको आंसर्स करना है. Okay, so again know what is commutative property. So it is also applicable only for addition and multiplication. ये इसके लिए क्या होता है, ये एप्लीकेबल होता है. ओके, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्लोजर एंड कम्यूटेटिव? यू नो, इन क्लोजर only 2 digits or 3 digits are considered, but on a commutative property we can take 3 digits. So we can form their pair a plus b plus c. The sum of three numbers or the sum of 3 digits remains same even if we change their pairs. इसके आप पेयर को चेंज करते हो तो भी आपको सेम रिजल्ट मिलेगा. Okay, another examples in form of multiplication. So a into b into c again give the same result. A multiplication of 3 numbers or 3 integers gives the similar answers when we multiply and change their pairs. Okay, move to question number 6. Question number 6. The identity element with respect to multiplication in integers is. Okay, I say the identity element with respect to multiplication in integers is. Okay, suppose कोई सा भी टू इंटीजर्स लेते हो जिसका जो रिजल्ट मिलता है उसको उसी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या होना चाहिए, वन। ओके, सपोज वन लिए, वन इंटू वन आंसर इज वन, माइनस वन इंटू माइनस वन आंसर इज प्लस वन, आंसर इज प्लस वन. So what's your answer? And similarly 0 into 0, okay, 0 into 0, so that is also 0. So options D, option D for this question is correct. Okay, seventh one, one integer is greater than other by 6. Given one integer is greater than other by 6, and greater than means what? Plus or minus? Plus. Okay, absolutely we can use plus sign. Okay, then if one number is 20, then the other is. Okay, we can take two integers. Suppose that question number 7. First integer is A, second integer is B. And given that one integer is greater than other by 6 means that A equal to B plus 6. Okay, जो फर्स्ट इंटीजर है दैट इज ग्रेटर देन टू अदर इंटीजर्स बाय 6, वो 6 से उससे क्या है, ज्यादा है. ग्रेटर है तो क्या करेंगे, उसको हम प्लस कर देंगे. लेस देन रहता तो आप क्या करते, उसको माइनस करते. टाइम्स बोलता तो क्या करते, उसको मल्टीप्लाई करते. एंड हाफ मीन्स आप उसको डिवाइड करते हैं. वन फोर्थ बोलते तो क्या करते, डिवाइड करते. तो रिमेंबर रखना इसको. ओके, इफ वन नंबर इज 20 देन अदर इज. ठीक है, कोई सा भी फर्स्ट नंबर क्या है, 20 है, तो व्हाट इज द सेकंड वैल्यू. सो वी कैन टेक हियर a इक्वल टू सपोज क्या है, 20 है. ओके, सो b इक्वल टू 20 माइनस 6 इक्वल टू b, दैट बिकम्स 14. दैट बिकम्स 14. if one is greater than by plus 6, if one number is 20 then the other is. Okay, so 14 is the correct answer. Okay, proceed to question number 9. Question number 8, every negative integers is, every negative integers is greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to 0. every negative integers is, जो जितने सारे जो नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स रहेंगे वो 0 से ग्रेटर देन है या लेस देन है, ये आपको बताना है इसमें. ओके, क्या हो सकता है, रिप्लाई में फर्स्ट, इट इज पॉसिबल दैट ऑल द नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स आर ऑलवेज लेस देन नॉट इक्वल टू 0. उससे क्या होते हैं, 0 से लेस देन होती है. ठीक है, सो वी कैन राइट नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. ओके, नेक्स्ट question number 9, 15. Okay, 15 plus 13 plus, okay, calculate the given unknown value. Okay, equal to minus 14 plus minus 9. Okay, and so on. Okay, 15, 13 and so what are the fill in the blanks to statement is true. Okay, fill in the blanks so that the statement is true. Okay, how, 15, 13 and okay, it is a okay. Okay, how can we solve this given problem, 15, 13 and so on. Okay, so 14, it is a 13. Okay, not a, so what are their values, we can put here 14, क्या होगा यहाँ पर 14 हो जाएगा and here 15, so that becomes equal to. Okay, in this given questions ask you to solve by the procedures. Okay, solve by the procedures means what, to how can we apply a associative property. What is associative properties? And in associative properties, you know what is associative property? Okay, so move to last question, question number 10. On question number 10, the multiplication of -3, -6, -2, and last one is -1. Okay, what are the multiplication of all these given integers? Okay, remember what are the purpose to asking these given questions? You why? Because firstly you can solve the all their sign. You know the multiplication of minus minus plus plus plus. Okay, so here minus and minus plus again minus and minus plus and plus and plus plus. So our answer, our result in the form of plus sign. Okay, in the form of plus sign. So 3 6 are 18. Okay, plus 18 and 2 1s are 2 plus 2 and 18 2s are 36. But what? Plus or minus? Plus 36. The basic aim of asking this question is that to you call your the multiplication concept regarding to these questions. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and by the help of this video everyone revise your concept. No one judge your आप कितना समझे हो उसको जज नहीं करोगे, इसमें आप अपना कंसेप्ट को चेक करो.